Are you a business owner and need to sound like an expert when talking about your products and your services? You know, when we have years of experience in a particular field, you'd think that we would really sound confident speaking around that topic, right? Well, unfortunately, this is not true. You know, I see this all the time. Someone who have tons of experience and should really sound like a leader, instead they sound insecure and their voice doesn't match their business or their personal brand. So in this video, I'm going to show you the importance of representing your brand in the very best way, using your best asset in business, your voice. Vocal branding is something I've been teaching for years, and all of my students go through a specific process to build their own personal brand. Now today, I'm going to show you some shortcuts that will really help you represent your brand and your business in a more aligned and professional way. So if you're a business owner with skill and expertise, you need to sound like one. But if you speak in a way that sounds insecure or uncertain or lacking in confidence and conviction, your opinion won't be heard by your clients or in the workplace. And that way of speaking may also be losing you the promotion, if you're in corporate, that promotion that you deserve. But before we dive in, you might be asking, hang on, what is vocal branding? Well, imagine you're walking into a luxury car dealership. All of those beautiful cars in the showroom worth so much money. Only the super rich and successful can afford such a classy vehicle. Now, imagine the branding that goes along with that beautiful product. Glossy sales magazines, salesmen and women perfectly coiffured walking down the aisles, ready to serve. Coffee, tea, snacks, classical music playing in the background. The whole brand looks, sounds, and feels like luxury. So let me ask you, how should the salespeople speak? Well, they should absolutely sound like the brand they're representing, right? Intelligent, confident, educated, eloquent. However, if the salesperson has a look and a sound that doesn't match the brand, they're not going to make the sale. For example, if he or she walks up and says to the client something like this, "Hey, nice to meet you. Looking for a car, eh? Good, come and I'll show you where they are." This is an example of a vocal brand that does not match that luxury brand at all. It's imperative for all businesses to have a vocal representation of their own brand. And that means your voice and your presentation style. Now again, if you're an expert in your field, you need to sound like one. I'm not saying you need to sound posh, have a British accent or all that. You just need to find the right sound for your own vocal brand. So here are 3 tips for you to think about that will help you really align your own business brand with your vocal brand. I call it the rule of 3. Do, be, and have. Ask yourself the following questions. Number 1, what do I have to do to become more aligned with my business brand? For example, do I need to get more organized? Do I need to stand taller, look more confident when I'm serving clients? Do I need to get on camera in order to promote my business? What do I have to do to align myself better with my brand? Number 2, what do I need to have in order to be more aligned with my business brand? For example, do I need to have an aesthetically pleasing office space to make my clients feel that I am a professional in my field? Or do I need to have better speaking skills in business? Do I need to have more camera presence on meetings, on Zoom, or in webinars? Number 3, what do I need to become in order to represent my brand in the most professional way? Example, what attributes do people have that are successful in my field? How do they dress? How do they speak? Who do I need to become to represent my brand to the very highest degree? If you're not representing your business in the most powerful way, using your vocal tone and communication skills to your advantage, vocal and presentation skills training will get you there. And if you know that you need help in this area and you're ready to step up and improve your life on every level, then I invite you to book in for a free consultation with me. In this free 30-minute consult, I listen to your voice, I learn about your business brand, and we develop a training path that's right for you. Now, I only work with really serious and committed people ready to improve their lives and their careers. So if that's you, click on the link in the description underneath this video and book in for a free consultation today. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll see you next time. I'm Elisa James. Bye.